Hi, thank you for watching this video. My name is Herman van Niekerk. I'm the team leader of Team Investa in the most exciting company on the internet called STIFOP. S-T-I-F-O-R-P, a mirror image of profits. The aim of this video is to help you to take the free tour of STIFOP. Now, when you want to start your own online business, especially when you're a first-timer, you will need products or a product, websites, lead capture pages, landing pages, video and flash video, presentation videos, personalized video landing pages, autoresponders, leads, traffic, downline building or customer building, training and much more. Now, to do this, especially as a first-timer, it's going to take you at least a year of day and night work to get started. And then it will take you about another 6 months to brand yourself and start selling your product to make money. Now, to get to this video, you most probably found it on YouTube, or a friend referred you, or you might have visited my website where I invite you to take the free tour. And you scroll down and you came to a heading reading for first-timers facing your fears, which is no shame, and you clicked to watch the video. Or you might have watched the 8-minute exciting video about STIFOP and you clicked for the free tour. You might have came across or found one of our websites or one of our landing pages or one of our personalized landing pages with videos that we can choose from. Or you might have clicked on a rotator. Now, this rotator has 6 members on them. If you click on the rotator once, goes to the first member, all my members. Click on the link again, it goes to another member, and you click on it again and it goes to yet another member, and so on. And this is what we do at Team Investa. We help one another to build our team. We are not money chasers. We work as a team together towards excellence. Now, when you signed up, or when you are going to sign up, you'll have to fill in your first name, your last name, your email address, confirm your email address, put in your telephone number, and click continue. Then you will receive a confirmation email and instructions how to use your email address to log in to STIFOP. You go to stifop.com, take your email address. You go to stifop.com. At the top of the page you will see pre-enrollee login. All you do is you enter your email address there and you click on login. And as soon as you've logged in, you will get to this page. And voila, you are in the inside for the free tour. Now, I'm not going to take you through the free tour because this will defeat the object of you taking the free tour by yourself. That is most important. Take your time, go through the inside of STIFOP, visit the main menu, click on everything there, read it all about it. In your left sidebar you will see recent pre-enrollees which will be in real time. You will be invited to attend a webinar, which is most important. When you are upgraded, you will also receive credit for attending webinars. And if you're in a hurry, you can go to the 3 blocks at the bottom of the website. The first one is the product. The second one is the compensation plan. What is most important about the compensation plan, you can start earning immediately. The exciting part is the fast start bonuses, the commissions and the matching bonuses. And then the matrix is there for you to help you to build a sustainable and substantial monthly income for yourself. and then you can click Get Started. You can either click this Get Started button, or you can click the Join button, and when you do that, you will get to a page where you will be given two options. The one will be annual option, that you pay a one-time fee for a year membership, and you will save on monthly fees when you do so. You can also choose the monthly option, where you pay a smaller one-time fee or sign-up fee, and you will then pay your $9.95 per month. And that is that. That's as easy as it is, and it's most important for you to read everything. Unless you're in a hurry, and you know what you're doing, read everything. Make sure that you like this business. Just to give you a sneak peek of what your website will look like when you upgrade. There's the inside of my website. There's my name at the top. There's my name, and there's my name. There's a training. Is very exciting, professional training, and watch these videos. They are amazing, and you will learn so much more through those videos. All your tools, and you have a contact manager. As soon as someone pre-enrolls, they will fall in your contact manager. You make contact with them to put them to rest, that they will be part of a visible team. Your genealogy, place a friend, which is very exciting, and in your left sidebar you will have all the options needed for an online business website, and it's very exciting. So my friend, that's what you need to know to take the free tour of Stifop and join an exciting, supportive team where we work together or collectively towards success. I thank you.